You're working hard towards your goals. You focus on them every single day. You spend most of your waking hours figuring out what else you can do to make your goals bigger and reach them faster. In fact, you're wondering if anyone else puts the same effort into their own goals as you put into yours. Hi, I'm Craig Thompson, and thank you for joining me today for 90 Seconds to Success. When it comes to our goals, hard work and focus are important. But something else is even more critical, and that's an honest evaluation of our progress and also the wisdom to sometimes correct your course. When working as hard as we are, let's ensure that we're working on the right things. Sometimes it's just important to look at our results and ask the old Dr. Phil question, how's that working for you? Well, if you're not arriving at your desired destination, you may have to be willing to adjust your course a little bit. So first question, and feel free to write this down, what are you trying to achieve? Could be toned arm muscles or more engaged family relations. It could be writing a novel, it could be anything. But next, you have to ask yourself, what actions have you been taking to achieve this goal? And write those down too. It's time now for an honest evaluation. What results are you getting? Are you seeing the beginnings of your return on your emotional and physical investment? If so, then great. No course correction needed. On the other hand, if your actions aren't producing the results you desire, then the first thing to do is examine what are you doing. It's most likely time to tweak those actions a little bit. Maybe push-ups won't produce the arm definition you're looking for. Perhaps what you believe is a great conversational ploy actually causes your daughter to disengage. It's possible that free-flow writing will never allow you to finish a novel because you need the structure of a chapter synopsis or even an outline. The bottom line is this. When it's clear that your actions aren't moving you closer to your goal, it's time to correct your course. Thanks for watching today, and I'll see you again tomorrow for another episode of 90 Seconds to Success.